My name is Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman and Associates. Our firm has a primary focus on family law issues here in Michigan. And today we're going to continue our video series designed to educate and inform the public. So please subscribe to our channel. You have to understand one thing about divorce and custody litigation. And one of the things that I want to communicate to the viewing audience is that litigation is litigation. And the things that go on in some litigation is probably commonality between certain activities that may go on in a slip and fall case or in a commercial case, and similar activities are going to go on in a divorce case or a custody case. One of the things that goes on is the parties sort of jockey for position. In a civil case, for example, that may come about as a result of somebody trying to hold the opposing party in a bad light in front of the judge. It may come about witnesses are told certain things about the other party so as an effort to sway their testimony. In divorce and custody cases, it often comes about with one person lying about that person to the children. You do see a lot of that where people are trying not necessarily to get on the good side of the kids, but really trying to manipulate the children into perhaps saying something bad to a friend of the court investigator or somewhere down the line to a judge, and so they try to horribilize the other parent. It's really the lowest form of human conduct in the context of a divorce or custody case. A parent, if you want to get custody, you should be able to support your case while you are worthy on your own, without bringing the children into the mix, without trying to tell the kids things about their mother or their father, because that is really bad faith. It's dirty pool, and there's really no place for it in the court system. We'll see things like this. People will say, your mom doesn't care about you. She would call you on your birthday and send you something, or she would do this or do that, all the while she did, and you threw it out. You hid it, you did something. People will say things about, I would buy you this, but your father never sends any money for you, all the while taking routine child support and spending it on lottery tickets and other things. So, in other words, we see this all the time, where people will do things and they'll either lie to their kids, they'll lie to their kids about their ex, they'll tell their kids that, your dad ran out on us, when in fact, she made him leave. She threw him out of the house. I've never had a case where somebody says, I was thrown out, where the other side doesn't argue we were abandoned. I mean, there's two sides to every coin, and I think the court knows that. I think litigants know that. But kids, little ones, they don't know that. They believe that if dad is telling them something, it's probably true. If mom is saying something, it's probably right. So if mom's saying dad doesn't come to see you because he doesn't care, and or he's a drunk, or he's dead, something like that, and the kids grow up thinking that, and they lie to their children, it's really the worst kind of thing you could do. And ultimately, it doesn't work out, because what happens to those little kids? They grow up. They grow up and they ask questions, more detailed questions. They press you on the facts. They check it out themselves. In this day and age, it's very easy to get information about people. So if parents think that they can lie about the other parent and somehow get away with something or something like that, think again. The better way, the better strategy, you want to win a custody case? Show the court why you're the better parent. Show the court why you deserve the nod, what your virtues are. Don't spend all your time lying to your kids about your ex and trying to tear your ex down. That's not the way to win a case. The way to win a case is to show the court why it makes sense for the court to give you the nod. If you have any questions about that, reach out and we'll be glad to help you out.